Hey there, welcome to the garage. The time has come for me to stop making metal art mud pies and actually get down to doing some real work with my masterful welding skills. That's where this stuff comes in. I've got some new safety chains that I'm gonna get installed on the trailer, and then I've got these D-rings that I wanna get installed. Gonna have to weld them on. I'm gonna start with the safety chain, and I'm gonna use flux core. I went back and forth on flux core or stick. I'm not really sure that I'm confident with the stick welding yet. I'm not confident with the flux either, but I think I can do better. At least with the flux, I can kind of spot weld and see how it's gonna go. I'm gonna start by getting these safety chains mounted on here and see if I can improve the trailer a little bit more. So I think this is about, these chains are a little way longer than this old junk that is gonna be coming off of here, but I got plenty of chain. I wanna bring these back a little further where I can get away from the tip of this, and that gives me plenty of turning radius. I've got the truck at about 45. It has a little bit more room to turn, but there's plenty of slack there. I think that's where I'm gonna put it. Minor mishap there, had a little bird's nest on the wire, so had a bad tip, got kind of clogged up. So yeah, well, at least I got one little tiny tack on there. Now I'm gonna see if I can finish the rest of it. Well, this has been a little bit of an exercise in frustration, but at least it's tacked on there. It looks like crap. I'm gonna take a break for the night. I'll be back in a minute. We'll finish this up. Well, like most YouTubers will understand, sometimes you lose video and audio. I lost the last part of when I was working on this video, but as you can see, I ended up going from flux core. I ended up using stick, used 70-18. I think it was 1/8 inch rod. A little bit better with the stick. I'm still practicing, still getting there, but it was fun, and I got these safety chains on. I think they'll hold. I think they'll be just fine. So I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure and like and subscribe and all that jazz, and y'all have a great day. See you later. Thanks for watching.